Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Menchie again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we are going to cook roasted beef. Okay, here I have here ghee. I'm using pressure cooker, okay, to easy to cook our beef. So now we are going to put our onion. Okay, so just cut it into small and just follow what I'm doing for. Okay guys, wait until cook the onion. And now we are going to add the tomato. Okay, just cut it into small guys. And just mix properly. Look at that, and you can add now bay leaves. I'm using two pieces of bay leaves. Mix properly until it cook the tomato. And next we have to add our 1 kilo Brazilian beef. By the way guys, I add this beef, I just remove the fat because I don't like fat. And now this is all my ingredients, so please follow this one in the video. And now we are going to mix all together. Okay, until become like this. And then now you can add ginger paste. Me, I'm using, you can buy this one in any supermarket that ready, so it's easy to use. So, and I'm adding the water from the river, 2 cups, okay. Then now, cook this one for 30 minutes. Why 30 minutes guys? Because my pressure cooker not like other pressure cooker. Some pressure cooker, they can cook at 10 minutes only. But for me 30 minutes because I want to eat the beef is soft. And now you can add yogurt. I'm using full fat yogurt, and I'm added coriander leaves. You can add also salt depending on your taste. And now this is our roasted beef guys. So I hope you like it, and I hope you try at home. And please don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much. See you in my next video guys.